how to appear offline on Discord. So if you want to appear offline on Discord, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Discord application right here. And once you launch the Discord app, this is the kind of interface that you will see. And from here, what you have to do is from the bottom left, you will see this type of information. Simply go to your profile here. And here you can see add status. So to you can see currently there is a green line which indicates that I'm online. But what I can do is I can click on add status, and in the status tab I can just select idle or do not disturb or invisible depending on just what I want. I can click on save, and now you can see it will show offline instead of online, which was the green line right here. So just depends upon whether you want to set it to idle or DND mode or other options. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.